Hey all! It's Mom from HeyMomWhat'sCooking.com. And today we have a quick and easy school morning breakfast recipe that you can make ahead and freeze. So let's get cooking. This recipe will make 12 pancake muffins, half of which we add blueberries to and half we add chocolate chips. Start by preheating your oven and greasing a 12-hole muffin tin. Then place the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a mixing bowl. Now let's make a well in the middle of the dry ingredients. Then add in your milk, oil, maple syrup, and egg. Mix the batter together. The full recipe and instructions are linked below. And don't forget to subscribe to Hey Mom What's Cooking, for more delicious recipes each week. Spoon your batter into the muffin tin, filling each hole half full. Sprinkle chocolate chips into half the muffin holes and add some fresh or frozen blueberries to the other half. After 15 to 18 minutes in the oven, test with a toothpick. If it comes away clear, you're done. Take out, cool slightly, and then enjoy.